Okay, the first thing you want to do when you start the calibration process is you need to set the frequencies you want to calibrate to. So let's click on the menu and go to stimulus and then click on start. Well, 20 meters is from 14 to 14,350 for the entire band. So we'll go to 14 megahertz, and that's our start frequency. And let's set the high side now, which is the stop frequency, and that'll be 14,350. So 14.350 megahertz. Okay, so now we got 14 to 14,350. So let's click on the menu, go back, go to Calibrate, and click on Calibrate. Now it wants our open. That's the one that does not have the pin in the center. And we'll put that on, and then we'll click on open. And it's through. It has put the check mark in. It's also indicated over here that the open, the red O, has been calibrated. So we remove the open, put on the short, got the metal on metal with a pin in the center. So we'll click on short, and short is completed, and it also shows it over here. Remove the short and put on the load. This is the 50 ohm. Again, it's got the pin in the center. You can see the white plastic insulation between the pin and the shield. And we'll click on load here. Load is calibrated. We've got it here, OS, and I believe that's a D for load. And now we're done. Now we want to save that into empty spot 2. So now we should have that saved. Now we've got the 14 to 14.35. So that's the steps you go through. You just repeat those steps for each band that you want to store. Make sure to save it after each one. And that's how you can get the simple readings for your SWR and your resistance for your antennas.